Bacon Cheeseburger Cups. This recipe is a quick cook, so great for a hot day. Let's get this recipe started. Now first, I'm going to fry up 1 pound of bacon. You may not need this much, but when it comes to bacon, I'll always err on the side of having too much. Now I'm going to soften 1 small onion in this bacon grease, and when it's done, I'll let it drain on some paper towels. Hey, let's get over and get this pellet grill going so it can come up to temp. I'm going to use some apple pellets today. We're going to bring this temperature up to 400. Here I've got 8 ounces of cheddar cheese that I shredded. Now we've got that onion that we cooked up. Just get all of it. You could use more onion if you wanted. Now I'm coming in with that bacon. I chopped it up, you can see. And then we'll just mix it up well. All right, we've got this all mixed in good together. I'm going to remove it to the side. Now what I've got, 2 pounds. This is sirloin, ground sirloin, 10% fat. You want low fat for what we're going to do here. Now let's bring this over to the side, bring this muffin pan in. I've got about a handful, I don't know what you call that, right? What we're going to do is in each of these little muffin cups, right? We're going to work this burger all around. Try to make it as uniform as you can, that way it will cook evenly, right? And I don't know if I said it, but I've got a little over 2 pounds. You probably only need 2 pounds, but right, each package was a little bit over a pound. And we're down to our last cup here, right? This is probably the longest part of this recipe. Just want to make sure you get it up against the edges. Don't get too thin in the bottom, right? Or you'll break through when you go to remove them after we cook these guys. Right? And now, I think we're ready to get them all stuffed up. Now we're coming in here with that cheese, bacon, and onion stuffing we made. And we'll stuff each one of these guys. Down to our last one here. Going to get this all stuffing in there. I don't want to waste any of this goodness, right? I used all of that mixture. And there's what they look like, all stuffed up. Hey, we got each of these burger cup stuffed. Let's get over to our pellet grill. Let's get this lid up and let the magic begin. Hey, I got in a hurry and I forgot to season our hamburger. So I'm just going to use a little salt, pepper, garlic on top. This is not as good. You know, you're not going to get as much coverage as if you would have seasoned the burger while it was in the bowl. But like I mentioned, I just forgot. So this will be better than nothing. Again, you want to season this burger before you stuff it. Let's get the lid back down. Hey, it's been 30 minutes. These cheeseburger cups are going to be done. Now look, I like my ground beef well done. If you're one of those medium people, then you may want to check on them, you know, somewhere 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Gonna have a look here. You can see that cheese is good and melty. I'm going to let these burger cups cool down for a little bit before we take them out so I don't burn myself. These guys have been sitting here about 10 minutes, cooled down a little bit. Let's get them out. I'll show you how we're planning to finish them. Just get out 3. Yeah, first thing we're going to do, I've got some of these moonshine dill pickles. That's right. These are from Bootleggers. Got our 3rd one there. Now, I probably should have done this first. I'm going to come in with the little jalapeno chopped up. Then I'm going to put my pickle on there. A little bit of jalapeno on each one, right? You put on your burger toppings, whatever you like. There's our jalapeno. Use your favorite toppings here. Mustard, ketchup. Leave me a comment down below what you like to put on your burgers. Now we're going to come in, dress these guys up. That's a little bit of ranch. Each one. Give some more flavor. Little sriracha mayo to go with it. Oh yes sirree. And then the final thing we're going to do, well, second to final, we're going to top each one of these off with a little tomato. You can't have a burger without tomato, can you? And then finally, a few chives. Again, a little more flavor, a little more color. These are bacon cheeseburger cups. They look fantastic. Let's give one a try. Cut into one of these bad boys. Try to get a little of that pickle. Here you can see There's our cheese all melted in the center there. Part I've been waiting for. Spot on right there. Ranch gives a nice like cool effect from that jalapeno and the chipotle mayo. And then that moonshine dill pickle. It's just awesome. Hey, if you like this video, check out my burger bowl video right down below.